Alright, just a real quick follow-up video here for the sake of completeness. The ARX100 SBR project that I'd done a video on before, where I was having a lot of trouble with that first barrel assembly. Was horribly undergassed, wouldn't operate the rifle at all. Finally got a replacement. Not from Beretta, mind you. The first one I ordered from them. Tried to send it back and they just didn't have any more. So my guess is I probably bought the last piece of junk that they had in stock that was probably returned by someone else. Who knows? I'm speculating, but had to go to Botach. They're the only other seller I saw out there that had these things. So got one from them, got it in, and we're gonna see. Very nice. More what a semi-automatic gun should do, right? And that was actually on the reduced gas setting, so very good. Very happy.